Hello crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, and I am so excited to share some of these amazing new finds today. So thank you all for coming along with me, and let's jump right into all of the shopping fun. I'm starting off in the home decor aisle. Look what I have spotted. They have brand new oil warmers. You guys, these are the ceramic oil warmers. They have them in all of these beautiful new fall colors like rust and green. Check out the purple and orange. Add yourself a tea light to it and add your oil. It would be amazing. Here's another new item. They have LED candles in colors. These are not only in beautiful fall colors, if you look closely, they're imprinted with a beautiful leaf design on them. I saw 4 different styles and 4 different shades in this collection. They definitely were selling quickly. This was the first day I went. The second day, these were all picked over. They also have these. Look at these glitter LED candles. I've never seen these before. I did see red, orange, and blue. You could see one of the colors was missing, so somebody swapped up all of those colors. But at another Dollar Tree, I saw that that color was gold. So you see that the gold is selling fast. Definitely get your choice pick fast. Look at these. These are the new fall collection of the storage bins. If you know me, I love the storage at the Dollar Tree. They have this red rust color. They also have the classic orange in locker bins and that beautiful cutout leaf fall design. Now, some of my favorites include this basket weave version. I like the round one. They also have these in like a shorter rectangular one and then a larger, deeper rectangular one for all of your storage needs in all of those beautiful colors. Now here's one. I love these little buckets here and these containers with these metal handles. Such a really great accent. Here's another one where a close-up where you could see that leaf cutout design. Really pretty. And I'm so glad they included the blue in this collection. I love the blue with all of the fall this year, and they have it in the orange. This is my favorite size to get at the Dollar Tree, you guys. These are such huge containers. So you could use them for something like laundry, toys, organization. They are a really great size. And if you prefer more of a round than an oblong style, they did have these in all of those beautiful colors. So check out your Dollar Tree for this new arrival. Look what's back, the Tapestry Placements at the Dollar Tree. These are the $125 Tapestry Placements. They have the fall truck. Here's one that said give thanks, and then they have one with that beautiful leaf design that matches the plate collection that I featured in my last walkthrough. Now, if you want to collect some paper plates or use paper plates for your upcoming fall decor, check these out. They have these 16 count paper plate designs in these beautiful fall designs. They are very nice. They have the platters as well. So if you're looking for a larger platter style, they have those in a 6-pack. So they did have all of these in these 2 different prints that you could use like for parties. And it's great to kind of have some disposables so you don't have as many dishes. If you love the napkins, you guys, check out the Dollar Tree. They have these beautiful napkins with pumpkins and that plaid print, 2 different styles to match all of these plate collections. If you like to decoupage or do anything like that, these would be perfect. Now, you could also choose the ones with the solid plaid. You could get a solid color, or you can get these little square napkins. So check out your Dollar Tree for these. So pretty. They didn't forget the cups as well, so they have the clear plastic cups with all of the coordinating designs to go with this collection. Now look at this platter. This is the plastic version of the platter. These are huge, you guys. So whether you want to use them for your tableware or you could use them for crafting, check those out. So very pretty and a great deal for $125. These are back as well in new designs. These are those little loaf pans. These were so popular last year, and they have them in all the beautiful fall designs. 4 new designs this year for these, and you can use these for actually oven baking as well. They are oven safe, so check out all 4 of them at the Dollar Tree. Here's another returning item. These are those iridescent pumpkin style plates, and they're plastic. You can get them in clear, and if you didn't want them as clear, you can get them in that iridescent with a silver back as well. They also have them in an orange color. This also has that silver back on the back. Great for displaying a little snacks on a table, decor, and you can even craft with these. Now check out the pouches. I featured these in fruit designs earlier this year, but look, they have a new set out for fall with all of the fall designs. So you can get the single pack for the large for $125, or you can get a double pack of like a medium small size for $125. So check those out. These containers are always so fun. I found them in lemon earlier this year, but look, they now have them in fall designs to match all of the plates that they have this year. So you could choose the fall leaves or those colorful pumpkins, and they all come with the lids included. So fun to use for organization or in your kitchen. They have candles. Oh my goodness, so many beautiful candles at the Dollar Tree. So they have these 3 packs of leaves or 3 packs of pumpkins on a little tea light. So pretty. They also have these. Now I usually see these in like ivory, but look, for fall, they have all the beautiful variations of the fall colors with a little twine and the metal leaf tied onto the candle. And if you're more into shapes for your candles, look at these cute acorns. So I saw these in different colors as well. Now, if you don't want acorns, they did have pumpkins as well. They had 4 different colors of the pumpkins, whether you wanted the traditional orange, they had green, and they even have glam if you want gold and silver. In the craft section, you guys, they had some new items. Look at this sun cut out. So it's solid on the back, carved in the front. I love these layered wood pieces. You can use the front or the back. $125 for this piece. They also have this one. This is my favorite here. This little tree with all the little leaves and the birds. The intricate detail is so really pretty. If you're more into sea life, they did have this with the ocean waves and the little fish tail sticking out. That one was really pretty. And if you love serene, look at the mountains and the trees in this wood cutout. This one's so very pretty as well. They're only $125. Now, also in the craft section, I was so surprised to see the diamond painting sets. I've never seen them for $125. So they had a variety of these with all kinds of animal prints that you can choose from. I found 3 different styles at my Dollar Tree, including animals. And I also found this watering can planter with roses in it. All of the packages have everything that you need, the tools, the diamonds, and everything. So this is great if you want to get started with this type of craft. Now, I spotted something like this earlier this year in a large piece, but now they have the smaller plank style pieces that are really thick. I can definitely see adding these all into a collage and making a wall decor piece. That would be so pretty. Also in the craft section, look at these. So they have all kinds of burlap rolls. I noticed this year they've had more burlap rolls than I've ever seen. My Dollar Tree just put these out. They had stripes, ladybugs. They did have a plaid design. They even have like stars if you want to do 4th of July, Memorial Day, Veterans Day. They even had butterflies. So these are a lot of the different burlap styles that are coming out this year. We had a full box of these. Grab them when you see them. In the decor, look what I spotted. New welcome and Wi-Fi password signs. These are great to put in a guest room when you have out-of-town guests in and you want to share your Wi-Fi connection with them. This is a very cute way to display that. You could use it as is, or you can redecorate it for another craft. Now, we've all probably seen these rugs at the Dollar Tree, but I always go back to them because they are great for crafting. So if you don't want to use them as a rug because they are kind of lightweight, I think they would be excellent to kind of frame and display on a wall. I think they are really pretty, so definitely keep that in mind when you see them. And speaking of rugs, we have a new item alert here, self-adhesive carpet tile. I have never seen these before at my Dollar Tree. These are about 12-inch square and they come in gray. They did have them in this black color. You can also get them in like a heather gray kind of blend here, and they have them in like a khaki color. I've never seen the self-adhesive versions of these. I think these can have multiple uses. Definitely be on the lookout for these. And then check this out. They have herringbone peel and stick tile. I've never seen this herringbone design before. I've seen the others, but now they have herringbone. So definitely grab those. I definitely grabbed some for crafts. We know that the Dollar Tree has the fake security cameras, but I've never seen these tube style security camera fake cameras at my Dollar Tree. So this was new. They had them in black and white, and they still had the traditional dome style. I know a lot of people use these to make Santa cams around Christmas. So they're back on the shelves at the Dollar Tree. This was a new item in the home decor section. These are really pretty with a frost design, but what I did notice is that they had like a powdery kind of residue on them that kind of was wiped away when I put my finger on them. So you may want to steer caution away from those unless you plan to repurpose them. Now these are cute too. These are two-sided votive holders or taper candle holders. Definitely something you can repurpose and use in crafts. I also saw kind of a sneak peek of some of the winter things that are coming out. I love these. So these are silver, blue, and green votive candle holders. It's got kind of like that mercury glass finish on the inside, but it's really so pretty for winter. And another Halloween item kind of popped up. These are the solar lights and pumpkin, ghosts, and skulls. So you can see when I cover up that solar light pattern in the back, the lights of the eyes light up. So that's what it's going to look like at night if you're looking for some more Halloween type of items. Now check this out. In the wearables, I found these socks. Now I'm not familiar with this brand, but the feel of these is amazing. You can tell just by the touch, these are high quality socks. Now they had a 2-pack of calf size socks for $125, or you could choose a 2-pack of the no-show socks. And you see these are double layered, you guys. Again, this brand is definitely to the touch, a really high-end feel to them. Be on the lookout. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree. Now, they did have another one too. So these are the 2-packs that come with the no-shows and the calf high socks. Oh my goodness. I think the teens and tweens would love these. So definitely be on the lookout for this brand. They didn't leave the little babies out of it, so they had toddler and infant size socks. Now these come in a 3-pack and they did not disappoint. They still have that real quality thick texture to them. Again, be on the lookout for these. They definitely are worth the $125 price. So for the 3-pack of these, it's only $125. In the gift bag section, I've never seen these bags before, so I was checking these out. These have that modern kind of boho feel to them. I think the covers and the designs of these look like art, so these will be perfect to cut out and frame as art in like a nursery or a kid's playroom. I just think these are so nice. So check these out in your gift bag section. In stationery, look, I found some new pin sets. These come in a 3-pack, so you could choose from a blue floral. You can even go more retro, 80s and 90s. Here's a 3-pack here. You can also check out a more neutral for black and whites and stripes and plaids and polka dots. You could keep these together or gift them individually in a set. So pair these up with a Dollar Tree notebook, add to a gift basket, and you are done. Now here's something new too. These are acrylic note boards. Now I love these. You can make them into a stand. You can place your phone on there. You can also use the acrylic side for notes. Now they did have a different one here that has the lines already on it. Use a chalk marker or a dry erase marker to write any details you want. In the learning section, look what I found. These are counting blocks. Oh my goodness, I've never seen these before at my Dollar Tree. They had them in singles, doubles, and a full solid. You guys, immediately my craft brain was exploding. I definitely grabbed some of these for crafting. I do have some ideas in mind, so keep this section in mind when looking for craft supplies. In the kitchen section, I found this dish mat. So this is the sink mat that goes in your sink. It's plastic and it's got that soft rubbery layer on there, so if you toss silverware or glasses into your sink, they don't scratch your surface and they don't break your glass. They had those in black and white, brand new item at the Dollar Tree. Now, I don't know if it's just my Dollar Trees in my area, but I have noticed that all of the zipper bags and storage bags are increasing in size. So I noticed on all of the package, they are increasing all of the number counts, which is awesome. So we're getting that more bang for our $125 when it comes to a lot of these things. And I know that this brand realizes how competitive it is. So definitely check it out, whether you want sandwich bags, you want freezer bags. They did have the quart, the gallon, and other assorted ones. So, and you could choose a fold over, a zipper bag, or a slider bag. So they did include all of these different styles and the increased sizes, as you noticed. So check those out. They didn't just stop there. They went on to the garbage bag. So if you're looking for a lawn and leaf bag, they have increases in those. They did have the larger trash bags. Those were also including free bags, and they had the kitchen bag. So check that section out as well. In the food section, look what I spotted, a Wilton brand item. We don't find these at the Dollar Tree. So these are spray color mist. So I had to definitely check the price on these. When I looked them up at Walmart, $8.97 for one can. Oh my goodness. Definitely grab this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Another item that I spotted were these minute rices. These come in a 2-pack. So I spotted them in a jalapeno flavor. I also spotted them in basmati. If you love the basmati type of minute rice, they had the 2 packs of those as well. And then they had my favorite, which is the yellow rice. Those are also sold in a 2-pack. All 3 of these were at the Dollar Tree. I was so excited to see them. So to make sure I was having a great deal on these, I did check at Walmart. Look at this price. $4.10 for a 2-pack of the jalapeno rice. They had $3.07 for the yellow rice. I mean, oh my goodness. And then if you wanted basmati, they just knocked that one out of the park with this $9.98. I don't know where they're doing that, but they're not getting that from me. Definitely go to the Dollar Tree. I always see these Idahoan little instant mashed potatoes in cheese, buttery home style, and roasted garlic. I never really think twice about grabbing these, but since I was finding so many great deals, I did check online at Walmart, and of course Walmart is more expensive, so they're $1.52 for the exact same size and the exact flavors that they have at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is really killing the game when it comes to other retailers. And tahini, I always stock up on this, and I get the little ones because I don't go through this as fast as my other seasonings. So this 1.6 ounce size is perfect for me. And to make sure I was getting a great deal, I did check online. $2.41 for the 1.6 ounce bottle. Definitely go with the $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Now, so I skipped over to the plus section. Look what they have, a huge assortment of pillows. These are big overstuffed pillows. This one says choose happy with a nice fall design. And look, they're even starting to bring out the red and black check. It reminds me so much of the holidays. This one says family is everything. They also have the traditional black and white check. This one says blessings. This is a really nice design. Now they also have these. I love these because these have like a diamond textured design on them, you guys. So pretty in gray. They had it in natural, and they had it in a green. And the great thing is, look at the bottom. They have a zipper, so you can even add or take away stuffing as needed, which I really love. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more new and exciting finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.